Looky, looky what we got here. New shelving unit has arrived. This is going to replace this plastic unit that's starting to bow and lean forward. Got the first level done. Long way to go. Now I have to measure because I want this to be identical to the shelves that I have already, or close to it. But yeah, I'm on step, what, 3 or 4? All right, we got another shelf in, and we have the vertical poles completely installed. And she's done. It's beautiful, and from here it almost looks like it's crooked. It's not. But, so, next I get to basically transfer all the bins over there, take this apart, get rid of it, and roll this right in there. I got this on caster wheels purposely for that reason alone. And when I think I can afford the next one, I'm going to replace this one. But that one is the one that was really worrying me because it was, like I said in an earlier video, everything's bowing in the middle and then it's kind of listing towards the front. So yeah, it's time. And this is a much better quality of a shelf than that thing is, for sure.